It's the end of the summer, but guess what? Brooks Nation is still bringing the heat. Brooks Nation will be hosting the 3rd annual family reunion. That's going to be the hottest reunion on the East Coast. Brooks Nation is going hard for the grown and sexy with our main event, the Finger Licking Brooks Ribs Eating Contest. And because we do love the kids, we got activities that's going to make them lose their mind, like laser tag, Madden's Xbox, and the Wii Rolling video games. For couples, the Best Dressed Urban Gear Contest gets a surprise bragging rights for 1 whole year. So ladies, start ordering that yaki now. And fellas, get those shape-ups tight and come riding on those 22s. And kids, if you think you can dance, then bring it. Come hungry and be on time. Prizes will be awarded and you don't want to miss it. The Brooks Nation Family Reunion. A family that stays together, prays together. Special shout out to Rab Mail Entertainment, Filmmaker T Platinum, and Watson Global Entertainment Group.